Assalamu alaikum. Today I'd like to show you how to apply one of our mug decals on a mug. So I purchased this mug. I'm planning a gift for my daughter's Arabic school teacher. I purchased a white mug, a simple white mug, and I designed a two-color decal that says Jazakumullah khairan in Arabic calligraphy. So the first step in applying the decal is knowing where to put it. I learned after designing my mom's mug that when I designed her mug, I placed it, she's right-handed, so I placed it in a way that whoever she's talking to can see the decal. But then one day she said, how come I don't get to see it? Because her side was empty. So I learned from this that I should either design two decals, one for the person who's drinking to enjoy, and one for the person who's looking at the person who's drinking to enjoy. Or I would place the decal on the side and enlarge it so both you get to see part of the design as you're drinking, and the person you're talking to can see part of the design. So this is just where I'm experimenting. But for this mug, for my daughter's teacher, I decided, because this is such a small decal and I didn't want it to go all the way around, that I would design two decals. Now that we decided on a placement, we have to clean our mug. I washed it with soap and water, and I'm making sure that it doesn't have any sticky residue or any debris, because the decal will not stick to anything that's dirty. The decal consists of 3 layers. You have the paper backing, you have this clear tape, this is sticky tape, and the actual decal, which is sticking right here to the sticky tape. Take a squeegee or a credit card and you gently rub over the design. This ensures that all the pieces of the decal go on the sticky tape. Okay? Because this is such a small decal, I can remove it all, and now it becomes like a sticker. Decide on the placement. Again, I decided I want it to be here, so I'm going to place it in the middle of the opening of the handle. Okay, so, and it's not going to be very close to the handle because I want it to be seen. So carefully make sure that it's leveled. Okay, and then rub over it again with your finger. The next step is to remove this this sticky tape. So by going, see how easy that is? And there you go. There you have it. Beautiful. I love the gold. MashaAllah, it looks amazing. So, I don't know, can you see it with this sunlight? Okay, now off to the other side, and we have to make sure that this side is the same, it's going to be on the other side. Okay, you don't want one side that's you know, closer to the bottom of the handle, and this side closer to the top of the handle, unless you want to be creative and that's your point. But for this one, I'd like it to be on the same level as the other side. So simply I just turn it and I get my other decal and I repeat. Okay, now as a finishing touch for my daughter's teacher, I just have some chocolate kisses. Fill the mug with chocolate kisses and wrap it up with gift wrap, and we're ready to gift for our Arabic school teacher. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it inspired you to create your own gift. This is Lama from Home Synchronize. Assalamu alaikum.